Hi, Alan. Oh, having a coffee again.
So, I see you're insulting the ref again by calling me brilliant and great. That sarcasm will get you sent off, number 6. Trust me, I'll get you sent off.
Yeah, that's right. I feel the game is brilliant when you're reffing the game. You know, you make it great. Really, really great.
It's the best when I'm reffing the game. And I still did tell you about the stick. Well, number 6, instead of a red card today, you're off! I'm a 66-year-old ref telling you you're off!
Get out of here!